Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, guys. My name is Deep Chung Lecture. In this video, we're going to integrate Windows 7 within GNS3 environment. Let's begin. Open up VMware. Here you can see our Windows 7 has already been installed. Right click on it and go to Settings. There you can see the network card is showing as network address translation. I'm going to go for custom and just select VMware 1 host only adapter. Just click on OK and it's going to change the adapter settings from NAT to custom. And we have done. Just close the VMware. Now go to GNS3. Open up GNS3. Alright. Bear with me. Installing, everything is done. Okay, here you can write the name of the file. It's on your own, you can write any name. Just click on edit and go to preference, and there you can go for VMware VMs. Just click on add, click on new, run the VM. Next, select Windows 7 from the drop-down list. Click on finish. Over there you can see Windows 7 template has been installed. So click on edit. ACPI shutdown, just check on it. Go to networks tab. There allow GNS3 to use NIC. Just leave it as default. That's okay. Click on OK. Apply and then OK. It's done. Go to routers, drag and drop 3725 series of router. Go to switch, drag and drop one switch, ether switch. Rename it switch 1 and okay, and click on computers. Just drag and drop Windows 7 VM. It's written over there VM. So I'm going to connect it. Router 1 to switch and Windows 7 to switch. Okay, done. Bring it to the left side. Okay, labels. It's going to show port labels. Okay, done. You can see that router 1 and Windows 7 is turned off. Just click on play button and it's going to turn on the router and Windows 7 as well. Windows 7 is booting up. You can see, okay, everything is fine. Starting Windows. Okay, booting up. A little bit up. Okay, bear with me. So starting up Windows. Okay, welcome to Windows 7 Professional. Great. So what we're going to do now is this is Windows 7. Go to network interface. Okay, we can assign IP address over here. So bring a little bit up the side. Okay, go to start menu, go to control panel and network and internet settings. Okay, just click on add network and settings, and then you can go for network and sharing center. Just click on add. Over there, change adapter settings. There, right click on local area computer and then go to properties so that we can assign IP address for this PC. Okay, bring it to IP version 4. Use the following IP address. I'm going to assign 192.168.1.2 and 255.255.255.0. That is my subnet mask. Click on OK and then click on OK as well and close the window. Open up command prompt. Here you can verify your IP address 192.168.1.2 with the help of command ipconfig. Pinging with router interface 192.168.1.1. But the thing is that we haven't assigned any IP address on router interface. So it's going to show you destination host unreachable. Right click on router and go to console. It opens up a router's console. You can see that our message from client to router reachability is unreachable. So I don't have any IP address assigned to the interface. Interface fastest 0/0. Assign an IP address 192.168.1.1 and 255.255.255.0. No shutdown. Turning on the interface. Okay. Now you can see that our client can actually ping the router interface. It's successful. Show IP interface brief. Our IP has been assigned on fastest 0/0 interface. I'm going to ping from router to the client. You can see it's request timed out. It's not pinging with the client. The thing is that firewall is turned on. By default on Windows, firewall is turned on. So that means it actually blocks ICMP packets. So I'm going to go to Network and Sharing Center and I'm going to change the firewall settings. Right? Come down to the bottom. There you can see Windows Firewall. We are going to turn off the firewall. Turn off the firewall. Click on Firewall. Oh, there. You can see the Windows Firewall is turned on. Click on it. So turning off Windows Firewall. Just click on Turn off Windows Firewall. And then again turn off Windows Firewall and click on OK. See, now just click on OK. There you can see that the reachability is successful from router to the client. So ICMP packets are being allowed by now. So I'm going to turn it on again. When I'm going to turn it on, it's going to stop the ICMP packets. It's not going to ping again. Click on OK. There you go. See? Ping has been stopped. Reachability unsuccessful. So this is how we integrate Windows 7 within GNS3. Thanks for watching, guys.